So we've got a 2008 International school bus. This is a MaxxForce 7, the V8, and it's crammed in between that frame. Very snug, not much room. So we automatically remove the fender and the tire. Makes it much easier. We've already got the exhaust manifold off. We got an exhaust leak, which you don't allow in school buses at all. It's out of service, and we can actually hear a whistle at idle, so it was a bad one. And we've loosened it off the EGR cooler, the top end, and got access to the retainers. We got it off. We got to do the other side as well. And that's just automatic step, pull the tire and the fender. It's not very time consuming. Makes life easier. You don't have to stand on your head.